Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. And yeah, so right now it looks like we are in a bear market right now. We are in a downtrend, but I don't think this is the end of the cycle, right? It doesn't really look like the end of the cycle to me. We could keep going down for a very long time and actually consolidate at these levels for kind of like a period where people start to reaccumulate, and then we can start going up again and have a really huge run. But this is just all speculation and it's just theory, right? Nothing's confirmed yet, right? And right now we're just falling and congratulations whoever for anyone that's like in a short, right? I think I opened a short here the other day on my personal account. I didn't want to use a challenge account because I didn't want to influence people, and I made like a really nice gain, like 80%, but then I closed it, right? Just taking some profits again. And yeah, we're at, like, when we look at the weekly now, it's looking really unrealistic that we're gonna close back above. We need a 20% pump, or no, sorry, we'll just take a look at that. It's like something similar to like 44% pump to get back to the 21 weekly EMA, and I don't think that's going to happen, to be honest. I think we are going to close below and probably have a continuation pattern where we do something like this. I think this is most likely what's going to happen. We're going to go down and chop around for a while here, probably at the previous all-time high, probably at the $20,000 level, and then it's possible that we start going up at the end of the year. But this is drawn like on the 2024, so I think something like this could happen where we start to go down, and then we're here for a while, and then we start to go up in 2022. But this is just speculation at the moment. Nothing's confirmed. And on top of that, I just like to look at the hash ribbon indicators. This is a free indicator, by the way, that everyone can use just by looking it up on TradingView. You just go to here and then you look up hash ribbon indicators and you can find it right there. And this has given amazing buy signals for when to buy Bitcoin and when you can reaccumulate. So right now, it's like right here, you could have reaccumulated. Let's just zoom in a bit. You could have reaccumulated at the lows. Yeah, it may have gone down in the next few weeks, but in the long-term perspective, if you would have bought here where the hash ribbon indicator told you to buy, you could have bought there and made 314% without leverage, which is really, really good on like any basis. Like this is like for like giving you like a time frame. This is just 180 days, so it's not even that long for 300% gain. And right here we had this buy signal, right? Again, an amazing indicator. We just bought it and it goes up. That's not the correct place to put the buy signal. Bought it around this area and went up another 300% again. And right now we did have the capitulation where we start to go down and then they crossed again. But the buy indicator doesn't have to come right away. It could come away like a couple weeks later, maybe even a month. Like right here we could see they crossed back on June 22nd, and then they had a buy signal on July 13. So almost an entire month, right? And then you had this big run up. Like this looks tiny now, but at the time this was like a huge 34% pump, right? And then you could have made some really nice gains there. If you're using leverage, you can utilize that and make amazing returns. And right now we're at the $32,000 level. Looks like that one's gonna give in too, and we're just gonna keep going down for the moment. But I don't think it's the end of the cycle. I think this is just like the first sell-off where we really shake everyone out, because we only had a few institutional investors that started to load up on this, and then it started to roll over, kind of like, oops, wrong thing. Looks like we kind of just rolled over like this, right? And we're gonna come down now. But people think like this is it, it's the end. And I have a lot of friends that are new to this space and are new to investing, and like getting into crypto is probably like the worst thing you could do if you're new to investing, because it's one of the most volatile assets in the entire world. And if you're new to investing, you you probably can't handle too much volatility, right? Watching your account go down 50% may not be for everyone, but if you watch it go down 50% in a couple months, I don't mind that, because in the long-term perspective, it's going to go up thousands of percent in the long term. And people laugh at me like, thousands of percent, you're dreaming. Well, look what we have here. How much is this? How much of a gain is this? 1,600%. That is absolutely ridiculous. People can laugh at me if they want. I get made fun of at work, but I don't really mind, because I know at the end of the day I'm right, and they're just sitting there laughing at me. So that's their problem. They probably don't understand it and probably never will. They're fine investing in stocks. I invest in stocks as well, but I like to diversify into crypto because it gives me really, really good returns. And yeah, so just by looking at the market cipher right now, it's giving all sorts of triggers and signs that we're going to keep going lower and lower and lower until we get maybe so if we look at the long-term weekly right now, it's just the momentum wave just started to roll over, and we have this huge red X signifying market downtrend, but we'll see how far this thing is going to take us. These ribbons have extended for they're really expanded right now, and they need to contract again. So we'll see how long it's going to take for that to contract. But with this massive move, I don't think it's going to take that long, to be honest. We can look at the 2-day starting to curl up again. Maybe we'll find a bottom here. I don't know where the bottom is. There's no guarantee. I have no idea where the bottom is. I have no idea what the top is. This could have been a local top where we just come down right now and we can consolidate. And I don't know why everyone is so mad that Elon Musk tweeted stuff. This is not his fault. He's in the same boat as us, right? He bought around this area, and it is very possible that they just brought the price back down to load up on some more. Right? There's heavy manipulation in this market, as it's super unregulated. So I don't want anyone to panic. Right? Stay calm. It's not the end of the world. As traders, we can make money on the way down and the way up. I see people in the chat making really, really, really good gains while putting up short positions, right? Because now we've established that we're in a downtrend. Right here, we can just show you. Right, we have this. Let's go on to 1 hour. Although we'll go on to 2 hour, 4 hour. Right, we've established that we're kind of in this downtrend right here, and we're gonna keep going down, right, until. Oops. My bad. Sorry. I don't have my mouse today, so it's a little difficult to make a video. Yeah, we can see right here, we're going to keep probably bouncing down from this. And if we go back up, right, if we go back up here to retest it, I'll probably enter a short position at 36,800. But right now, that's like a $4,000 difference, and we're falling pretty fast at the moment. I think Ben entered a short. Congratulations to Ben. He entered a short, broke that losing streak. It's very difficult to make long positions in a downtrend, but we're still attempting it, but we're doing our best. And he goes up a nice gain. He well-deserved. And while using, I think, the indicator as well, Market Cipher. I don't think it's on sale at the moment, so enjoy the stream while it lasts. Yeah, so and anyone who has any questions about Bybit and leverage trading, feel free to ask me, or just look at the tutorial video. It's a really good way to learn how to leverage trade and maximize your gains. But be careful right now, guys. As we can see, look at the altcoins. They are absolutely bleeding. They are getting slaughtered. 25%, 23%, 20%, even Dogecoin's down 20%. Now, everyone who bought Dogecoin at 75 cents is probably pulling their hair out right now. I mean, I didn't mean that I hate Doge or anything. I just think it was funny at the time to watch it go up so much, all it being so worthless. And this is my opinion, right? And people could say that there's real value there, but clearly there is because someone's buying it. But I don't think so. But we'll see where it takes us. I'm gonna go to the Bitcoin dominance chart right now. We can see that it's just going up super fast because we had that huge dive in the altcoins, which means that Bitcoin market cap is going to start going back up really fast. So we'll see if we're going to stop here and then start going down again, retest it as a resistance. But right now, it's just good to stay out of the market, guys. Do other things, right? I just go outside, enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day. Depending on where you live, where I live, it's very beautiful, and just try and enjoy the day with the family. Take some time off the charts, and there's nothing to be angry about. Maybe if you join here, right, and you're taking some really heavy losses, then yeah, there's a reason to be upset, right? Because you may have joined when the party was there, and now the parties might be over. But in my opinion, I think we're just going to go down for a bit, chop around these levels for a couple months, and then start going back up in 2022. But I think the cycles are extending as well. If you guys watch the YouTuber Benjamin Cohen, I really recommend it. He has some really good fundamental analysis on Bitcoin. And honestly, the catalyst, I'm going to make another video on the catalyst on why it's going to go up, and like why I think it would be a really good idea to buy some more, and not at these price levels, but maybe at other price levels, because I just think the US dollar is going to be devalued so much. But we can see like on the DXY, we're getting some small bounces off macro resistance right here in the past. When we look at the weekly, this was resistance support in the past, and now we're getting some support again. Well, we'll see what the weeks takes us. I'm buying more gold and silver. I'm loading it up. I really don't believe that the US dollar is going to be a safe haven asset or a stable a store of value in the future. I think it's just going to keep going down. As we can see, it's been going down in like the entire history. It's only been going down. It's in a downtrend, and it's probably going to keep going down. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to get straight to the point and explain, to everyone that's freaking out in the chat, that not to panic. If this is your first sell off, then you better strap in, because this is only the beginning. It might get a lot worse. Right? So far we've only corrected around something like 45%, 50%. This could get a lot worse, a lot faster. We're already at 31,800, guys. So if you're in a short, congratulations, you deserve those gains. We're gonna hit some support right now, see if we get a bounce from there, and we'll take it from there. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and stay tuned for some more videos. Peace.